Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and I'm gonna try to head into work. We were forecasted to have a dusting to an inch of snow. I think they forecasted wrong. I'm looking, I measured on my deck, we have 4.5 inches of snow on the ground and it's still snowing hard. This is nuts. Absolutely nuts. But, so it's gonna take me forever to get into work and the traffic is gonna be absolutely miserable. No schools canceled. The only delays, 2 towns delayed an hour. So it's gonna be nuts. But I'm in. I'll get there as soon as I can. Watch this messy commute on my dash cam. Good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:30. I am heading home right now out in the truck. Still cloudy out, but temperature just got above freezing. It's like 33, 34 degrees, so some of the stuff is melting. Hopefully the roads are a lot better than they were this morning. That sucked coming in this morning. 2 hours to get into work this morning. Oh, man. But I'm heading home tonight. I have bowling tonight and a couple other things going on, so gonna be a long, busy night. So I'm heading out of here. It's probably gonna take me a little while to get home. Roads are probably gonna be backed up, so like I do every day, dash cam. Everyone, I am at the bowling alley right now, just getting ready to go in. Not feeling it tonight. Not feeling it. So I got a feeling it's gonna be a rough night. Just tired. Oh God, just can't shake what I've had. So hopefully I have a good night. So I'm gonna head in there and wish me luck. Hopefully I have a good day, or a good night, I should say. Yeah, it's just crazy day today with the snow. Just wasn't prepared for it, and it just wiped me out this morning. So, but I'm heading in. I'll try to get with you guys when I get back out here. All right, everyone, bowling's all done. Gonna head home now. Temperature has dropped. It's chilly out here, so everything's icing up. My truck's running funny, kind of shimmying a little bit. Acted funny on the way down here, so hopefully nothing's wrong with it. So I'm gonna head home. Don't know what my wife has entailed for me it's, we'll see. So I'm out of here. Had a good night bowling. We won 3 games out of 4, so not bad. I had 1 real good game, 1 average game, and 1 bad game, just like every other week. So I'm heading home. I'll get with you. I got a little bit of dash cam, so dash cam. Hi everyone, thanks for watching my vlog. If you like, click up here on my logo and you can subscribe to my channel. If not, click right here. This is the last video that I did, most likely from yesterday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.